Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your wallet's name on Kaikas. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. From the app drawer, tap open Kaikas application and make sure to log into your account by entering your account's PIN. Once you're signed into your wallet, go ahead and tap on your name at the top left corner. Now, tap on the little pencil icon right next to your wallet's name and enter a new name that you'd like to set. After you are done, tap on OK and you have now changed your name for your wallet on Kaikas. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.